Garena new account register. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can register a new account in Garena, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to register a new account in Garena, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your browser and then just go to account.garena.com. I'll make sure to drop this link below, which is account.garena.com, which is the Garena account center. Now once you come to this website, it will ask you to log in. So if you have, then you can log in, but we are trying to create a new account, so you'll find another option here known as register a new account. Once done, all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter the username that you would like to use for this case, and then just make sure to enter your password and then re-enter your password if you'd like that. Now after that, you can choose to simply enter the email address that you'd like to use. You can enter the location and also link a mobile number, but that is really optional, so you don't have to do that. And after you do all that, you can just tap the register option from the bottom in order to register for a new Garena account. Now make sure you have access to this email address, because most likely it's going to send a verification code to that email as well. So once you verify the code, your account will also get successfully registered. This way you will be able to create a new Garena account and register for it. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.